The Mahindra Bolero has long been a trusted name in the Indian automotive market, known for its rugged build, durability, and no-nonsense approach. In 2025, Mahindra continues this legacy with the Bolero SLX Non-AC, a variant designed for those who prioritize reliability over luxury. In this video, we'll take a deep dive into this latest model, covering its design, performance, features, and overall value. Rugged and functional design. The 2025 Bolero SLX Non-AC maintains its iconic boxy design, staying true to its roots while incorporating minor updates for a fresh appeal. Its sturdy body-on-frame construction ensures durability, making it an ideal choice for rural and semi-urban environments. The front grille retains Mahindra's signature 7-slot design, flanked by halogen headlamps that offer good illumination. While this model lacks premium design elements like chrome accents or LED lighting, it focuses on functionality. The large bumpers, high ground clearance, and side cladding add to its tough, utilitarian look. Steel wheels with all-terrain tires provide excellent grip, making the Bolero SLX a go-anywhere vehicle. A practical interior with no-nonsense features. Step inside, and the Bolero SLX Non-AC greets you with a simple yet functional cabin. Since this is the non-AC variant, there are no climate control features, making it more affordable and easier to maintain. The seats are upholstered in durable fabric, and the dashboard is designed for practicality rather than luxury. The instrument cluster features an analog-digital combination, providing essential driving information. Mahindra has included basic features like power steering, manual windows, and a music system with USB and Bluetooth connectivity. The cabin is spacious enough for 5 to 7 passengers, making it a great choice for large families or commercial use. Reliable performance for every terrain. Under the hood, the 2025 Mahindra Bolero SLX Non-AC is powered by the tried and tested 1.5 Lm Hawk 75 diesel engine, producing 75 bhp and 210 Nm of torque. This engine is well known for its reliability, fuel efficiency, and ability to handle rough roads with ease. The 5-speed manual gearbox ensures smooth shifts, making the Bolero easy to drive in both city traffic and off-road conditions. One of the biggest advantages of the Bolero is its rugged suspension setup. With an independent front suspension and a leaf spring rear setup, this vehicle can handle potholes, dirt roads, and uneven terrain without breaking a sweat. The rear-wheel drive (RWD) layout further enhances its ability to carry heavy loads, making it a favorite among transporters and fleet owners. Fuel efficiency and maintenance. The Bolero SLX Non-AC continues to be a cost-effective vehicle, offering a fuel efficiency of around 16 to 17 km/h, depending on driving conditions. Its diesel engine is tuned for longevity, with minimal maintenance costs compared to other SUVs in the segment. Mahindra's wide service network ensures that parts and servicing are easily accessible, even in remote areas. Who should buy the 2025 Bolero SLX Non-AC? This variant is best suited for business owners, those looking for a reliable vehicle for commercial or transportation use. Rural and semi-urban buyers, people who need a durable vehicle to tackle rough terrains. Budget-conscious customers, buyers who want a strong, fuel-efficient SUV without unnecessary features. Final verdict: a dependable workhorse. The 2025 Mahindra Bolero SLX Non-AC remains a top choice for those who prioritize practicality and durability. While it lacks modern-day luxuries, it makes up for it with reliability, affordability, and low maintenance costs. Whether you're a farmer, a business owner, or someone who frequently drives on tough roads, this vehicle won't disappoint. That's all for today's review on Wheel World. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more automotive content. Let us know in the comments what you think about the new Bolero SLX Non-AC. See you in the next video.